Hello everyone, Devjyoti here from oishito.com, and today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how you can easily set up MasterStudy LMS theme and plugin. That is my WordPress dashboard, and here no plugin or no theme installed now. At present it is a fresh dashboard. As you can see here, if I come in the appearance, here you can see no theme is installed now. Even if I come to the plugin, here also you can see there is no plugin. Okay, so first of all I will install the MasterStudy LMS theme. So just come to the theme first, and from here just search for the MasterStudy. Click in the search option. So as you can see, that is my theme. This MasterStudy Education WordPress theme. From here you have to purchase it. After purchasing, you have to download the zip file. So next what you have to do, you have to come here and you have to click in the appearance, and from here you have to click in the add theme, and after that you have to click in the upload theme option. So now from here you have to click in the choose file. Now you have to choose that zip file what you downloaded. Okay, so that is my theme file. So next you have to click in the open option, and after that here you have to click in this install now option. Now here you can see this theme already installed. Now I have to activate the theme. So for that I have to click in this activate option. After that, here in this field actually you have to enter your license key, and after that you have to click in the activate option. I already done it, so as you can see it's showing now the theme is already activated. So next you have to click in this option, begin installing plugin, because it asking to install some required plugin. So you have to click on that. Next you have to select this option, and from this action you have to click in the install option. After that I have to click in the apply. So it will install all the required plugin one after one. Obviously it will take some time, so please wait for that. And I just want to inform you, for your practice purpose only, not for your original project, for your practice purpose, I will give a link in the video description. So from there you can easily download and use this theme. Okay, so without buying this theme also you can practice by using that files. And when you learn everything about this MasterStudy LMS theme, then please purchase the theme. So as you can see here, some plugin already installed and some not installed, because the pro plugin will not get installed automatically. You have to do it manually. So let me click in this install plugin option. So now from here click in the to install option. Actually these are the premium plugin, and that is the reason this plugin not get installed automatically. Pro plugin always you have to install manually. For this plugin, MasterStudy Pro plugin, you have to visit this site. I'll give the link in the video description. So from there you have to click in the get MasterStudy, and for the MasterStudy Pro plugin there are several options available according to your requirement. You can choose. Okay, and after purchasing they will give a zip file. So now I have to install MasterStudy Pro plugin from that zip file. You have to hover on the plugin, and here you can see the add plugin option. Click on that. Now from here you have to click in the upload plugin. Click in the choose file, and don't worry, I will give this plugin folder to you. So from there you can see this MasterStudy Pro plugin. Select that, click in the open, and after that you have to click in the install now. And again I am telling, I am giving this theme file and plugins only for the practice purpose, not for your original project. So after that you have to click in the activate plugin. So now it asking to install another plugin. As you can see here in the top, just click in the install option. It will automatically install the plugin. After you install that plugin, this kind of window will come. No need to set up it now, I will do it later. So just click in the skip option, because I have to add some more plugin also. So till I need this plugin. Okay, so do one thing, hover on the plugin and hover on the add new and open it in a new tab. So now from here click in the upload plugin. So I need this HTML configuration. So click in the choose file, and from this plugin folder choose this one, and after that click in the open. Click in the install now. After that I have to click in the activate plugin. Similarly after that I need this MasterStudy Elementor. So again click in the add plugin. From here click in the upload plugin. Click in the choose file, and from here I am choosing this one, MasterStudy Elementor widget. Click in the open. Click in the install now. After that I have to click in the activate plugin. So after that I need this revolution slider also. So do the same process, click in the add plugin, and after that upload plugin, choose file. So that is the slider revolution. Click in the open, install now. After that, click in the activate plugin. So next, I need this one also, WP Bakery Package Builder. So again, let me click in the add plugin. Actually, that is not required because you already using Elementor. So that is not required. So just keep that. So now let me refresh the page. Okay, so everything gone. Only this WP Bakery Page Builder is left out, but I doesn't need that. Okay, so I'm not going to install it again. If you want to install, then in the plugin folder already I give the file for this one also. You can activate, but it's not required. So next, what I have to do, again I have to come back to the plugins. Now from here, check this one, and after that, from this drop down, you have to choose the activate option. After that, you have to click in the apply. So this will activate all the plugin. If you get this kind of window, just close that. This one also not required, just close that. Now as you can see, lot of extra option is added here already. Again, come back to the plugin, and from here make sure all the plugins successfully installed. Okay. Next, you have to choose this one again, and from this drop down, enable auto update, choose that and click in the apply option. By doing this, you are allowing to auto update the plugins. So after successfully install the theme and activating all the required plugin, what you have to do, you have to hover on that, and here you can see the add-on option is there. Just click on that. Now from here, whatever the add-on you required, you have to activate them one after one. Suppose here I need this certificate builder. After that, this subscription also I required. I need this grade one also. After that, content drip also I required. Assignment also I required. After that, LMS form editor also required. This one also required. After that, media file manager not required that much. If you want social media login option, then you can enable that also. After that, this one also very important. After that, course bundle also important. Upcoming course status, that is also important. Grid book also required. Even this Zoom conference 100% required. I already have dedicated video in my channel on all these required add-ons. You can check them also if you want to know how to use them. Okay. After that, this multi-instructor also required. Statistic also required. Trial course, if you want, you can enable that. Live streaming also required. Audio lesson, point system, this all required. Okay. Even this online testing also. So after successfully add all the required add-on, you have to come to the settings option. From here, directly come to the LMS page. Okay. And if you scroll down a little bit, here you can see create LMS page option is there. Just you have to click that and wait for some time. It will create all the required LMS page automatically, and after that it will automatically refresh your website as you can see here. Next, you have to just click in the save changes. So I am ending this basic MasterStudy LMS installation and setup guide video here. Hope you understand how to install the theme and plugins and how to set up them. If you have any kind of doubt, always you can ask me in the comment section, and that is my WhatsApp number. If you have any WordPress related project or LMS related project, then you can contact with me with this WhatsApp number. If you really enjoy this video, then please like this video and share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest notification about this kind of interesting knowledgeable videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.